to get started with today's curry rice, we actually mixed some curry. We used some of our Camella's Kitchen Madras curry powder, and we took 3.5 tablespoons and mixed it in some water to make a curry paste. We will be adding rice to a boiling pot of water here. We'll leave the rice to boil for 20 minutes. We will now add some oil to a new pot. So as you can see, we are adding our curry paste to a pot and letting that heat up for a bit. And we'll also add in some garlic as well. And now we'll stir it. So this is known as frying the curry. In addition to garlic, we've added in some spring onion and some parsley. We'll also add in some bell pepper just to add a little bit of color to our curry rice as well. And we'll fry that a little bit too. So now we are adding in some salt as well. So we recommend adding in salt to taste. It really does depend on your preference. And, you know, we're going to stir this around just a little bit more. You can't smell it, but it actually smells pretty delicious from where we are. And now for the rice, we will be adding that in. So this is 1 cup of rice. So you can adjust depending on serving size, but this is 1 cup of rice that we've done. And now we will be stirring in the curry and all the seasonings. It smells really great right now. You can see that our rice is getting a nice yellow color. So you keep stirring it in. And our rice is now ready.